한눈 팔지 마는 노래도 내꺼 내꺼 다른 여자랑 말도 섞지만 난 니꺼 난 니꺼 내끼 손가락 걸고
Shush! 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 Oh. Shut up! I'm trying to listen at the door. Would you please stop playing that sodding banjo?
But how's come on nerves before the show?
If you strum another bum note on that hillbilly instrument, I'll stick it in your mouth. Now, where was I? Yeah, well, there's definitely something going on out there. Oh, this door's jammed. Why's the door jammed? Hang on. What's that? Ah, sounds like the warm-up band are getting ready to take the stage. Won't be long now, peeps. Won't be long.
One eternity later.
Sounds like some sort of Gorillaz tribute band. Where the bloody hell have you been?
Toilet?
Toilet? What do you mean, toilet?
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
Where the hell did that door come from? Oh, it's jammed. Why are all the doors in this dressing room jammed?
Get on my head!
Need to get on stage now. Can't yank knob any harder. No! Right, that's it. I'm gonna smash that door down with brute force. Slag scumbag. Ow, ow, ow. Ow! And my controller's broken. This is the payoff. Hey, you there. Why don't you jump in next to me and come and feel the quality of these sheets? I like Russell, can I just rub it?
You can't go dressing up as a goddamn Nazi, you cracker ass.
Why not? Banging, stop that banging! Can't kill it? What do you mean can't kill it? Well, I'll show you how to kill it all. You grab the damn thing, melt its face, melt its face, melt its face.
Hey, yo, man.
Russ, do it again. The bath. Hey, you guys, I'm just gonna take a bath.
Ring when you go round to their house. Yeah. That was the other one as well. Don't be fucking stuff in your pockets with Jaffa cake. I will find. It's true. You got to be militant because otherwise it's.
Look what we've got. Mess we've got ourselves in by being greedy. You know what I mean? Clearly, greed is not good.
Yeah, we're just
so don't be.
Vows that you make.
I'm just jealous.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Shut up! Hey.
It was yours. I would never have chosen this outfit.
So you're scaring the kids.
Am I? Ooh. Sorry. The future! Internet Explorer 9. That's what it's called. I mean, it's like a wizard's portal. It's like a wizard's portal. Oh, you're back. Internet Explorer 9. This is like a wizard's portal. Nice. Loudest doorbell I ever heard. A little too welcoming, I say. Would it kill them to vacuum?
All those glory, the world is mine, the one I hit me take.
You're the hottest bitch in this place. I feel so lucky.